As a beginner, you should know some essential facts that will be applicable when using the Blender. Before creating our scene, I am going to explain you about those facts through this lesson. When you want to select an object, you should right click on it. For an example, I'll right click on this camera and now it's selected. Once again, when you want to select our cube, then you should have only to right click it. If you want to rotate an object, press and hold the middle mouse button and turn it around. Then the object will rotate. If you press and hold the shift key and the middle mouse button, you can pan around the view. As such, if you use the scroll wheel of the mouse, you can zoom the view inside and outside. So I think the facts that you have learned so far will be very useful for your future lessons. Let's start to create our scene from our next lesson. Thanks for watching this video.